Imagine walking through lush forests, crossing ancient ruins, and reaching breathtaking mountain passes where snow-capped peaks tower above you. Peru offers a world of adventure for hiking enthusiasts, combining nature's raw beauty with a deep dive into history and culture. Whether it's the legendary Inca Trail, the mystical Rainbow Mountain, or hidden archaeological treasures like Chacureo, every trail tells a story. Ready to step into this hiker's paradise? Let's explore the most stunning trails in Peru that promise unforgettable memories. The Inca Trail, a journey through time. The Inca Trail is Peru's most iconic hike and a must for any adventurer visiting the country. Over 4 days, this 26-mile trek takes you through breathtaking landscapes, from cloud forests to ancient Incan ruins. The trail is dotted with historical landmarks like Huayna, where intricate stonework meets lush greenery. The highlight, however, is arriving at the Sun Gate, Inti Pumku, at sunrise, where the first rays of light reveal the magnificent Machu Picchu. With moderate to challenging terrain, the Inca Trail is as much a test of endurance as it is a journey into history. Permits are limited and sell out months in advance, so planning ahead is essential. Salcantay Trek, Untamed Andean Beauty. The Salcantay Trek is a breathtaking journey through the heart of Peru's rugged Andes, offering adventurers an immersive experience in one of the most diverse and untouched landscapes in South America. Spanning 5 days and 46 miles, this alternative to the Inca Trail combines dramatic mountain scenery, lush valleys, and cultural encounters, culminating in the awe-inspiring ancient city of Machu Picchu. The trek's namesake, Salcantay Mountain, rises to an impressive 20,574 feet, standing as a towering symbol of the Andean wilderness and setting the tone for the raw beauty that defines this hike. The trek begins in the high-altitude terrain of the Andes, where rocky ridges and snow-capped peaks dominate the landscape. The highlight of the journey is reaching the Salcantay Pass at an elevation of 15,200 feet. Standing at the pass, hikers are rewarded with panoramic views of jagged peaks, expansive valleys, and the surrounding wilderness. This moment is both a physical and emotional triumph, as the thin air and challenging ascent make the views all the more rewarding. From here, the trail begins its descent, transforming the scenery into a lush subtropical paradise filled with vibrant wildflowers, cascading waterfalls, and verdant forests. The stark contrast between the icy mountain heights and the tropical greenery below is one of the trek's most captivating features. A major highlight of the Salcantay Trek is the visit to Humantay Lake, a glacial lake with vivid turquoise waters nestled beneath towering peaks. Reaching the lake requires a short but steep detour, yet the effort is well worth it. Surrounded by the silence of the mountains, the lake offers a serene and otherworldly atmosphere that leaves every visitor spellbound. Its crystal-clear waters reflect the surrounding snow-covered peaks, creating a picture-perfect scene that feels like stepping into a dream. While the Salcantay Trek lacks the archaeological ruins of the Inca Trail, it offers its own unique cultural encounters. Passing through remote Quechua-speaking villages, hikers have the chance to meet local people who live much as their ancestors did. These communities, with their traditional alpaca herding and vibrant weaving practices, provide a rare glimpse into Andean life, adding a deeply human element to the adventure. This cultural connection enriches the trek, offering insights into the traditions and resilience of the mountain people. The Salcantay Trek is an ideal choice for adventurers seeking solitude, stunning landscapes, and an authentic connection with Peru's wild side. From the icy heights of the Salcantay Pass to the peaceful shores of Humantay Lake and the lush tropical valleys below, every step of this trek is filled with wonder. For those who dream of exploring the Andes in all their untamed glory, the Salcantay Trek offers an unforgettable experience that blends physical challenge, natural beauty, and cultural discovery. Gate Trek, Colors and Culture. The Gate Trek is a mesmerizing journey through one of the most remote and beautiful regions of Peru. This 4 to 6 day high-altitude circuit around the sacred Gate Mountain offers a hiking experience like no other. Combining jaw-dropping landscapes with deep cultural connections, the trek immerses adventurers in the raw, untamed beauty of the Andes, while offering insights into the traditional lifestyles of the Quechua people. It's not just a hike. It's a pilgrimage into the heart of Peru's natural and cultural heritage. The Ozangate Trek is often described as a surreal journey due to its unique and colorful landscapes. Towering at 20,945 feet, Ozangate Mountain is the centerpiece of this trek, surrounded by vibrant mineral-rich hills, sparkling glacial lakes, and vast grassy plains. One of the trail's highlights is Rainbow Mountain, Vinicunca, where multicolored slopes created by sedimentary mineral deposits form a natural rainbow on the earth. Seeing this stunning phenomenon up close is a memory that stays with travelers forever. The trek also features pristine glacial lakes, such as Lake Sibinacocha and Laguna Pucacocha, their icy blue waters contrasting with the rugged peaks that surround them. The snow-capped mountains are reflected in these serene waters, creating postcard-perfect views at every turn. At high-altitude passes like Palomeni Pass, 16,732 feet, hikers are treated to panoramic vistas that stretch for miles, showcasing the grandeur of the Andes. Choqquequirao Trek, the lost city of the Incas. If you're looking for an off-the-beaten-path adventure, the Choqquequirao Trek is the ultimate choice. Often referred to as the sister city of Machu Picchu, Choqquequirao is a vast archaeological site accessible only by foot. The 4-day trek to this hidden gem involves steep climbs and descents, rewarding hikers with sweeping views of the Andes and the chance to explore ancient terraces and temples without the crowds. Larger than Machu Picchu and equally rich in history, Choqquequirao offers a glimpse into the grandeur of the Inca Empire. Santa Cruz Trek, high-altitude wonders. The Santa Cruz Trek is one of Peru's most renowned high-altitude hikes, offering adventurers an unforgettable journey through the heart of the Cordillera Blanca, one of the world's most spectacular mountain ranges. This 4-day trek is a perfect blend of natural beauty, diverse landscapes, and a rewarding physical challenge, making it a favorite for both seasoned trekkers and nature enthusiasts. The journey begins in the charming town of Huaraz, often called the adventure capital of Peru. From here, trekkers travel to Cachapampa, the starting point of the trail. The hike starts in a lush valley surrounded by towering cliffs and verdant vegetation. The initial stretch takes you along the banks of a glacial river, setting the stage for the incredible scenery that lies ahead. As the trek progresses, the landscape transforms dramatically. You'll move from verdant meadows to rugged alpine terrain, passing through picturesque villages and encountering local Quechua communities along the way. These small settlements provide a glimpse into the traditional Andean lifestyle, where farming and herding alpacas remain central to daily life. One of the standout features of the Santa Cruz Trek is its breathtaking array of glacial lakes. Laguna Ichicocha and Laguna Jaituncocha are two of the most stunning stops, their crystal-clear waters reflecting the surrounding peaks like a mirror. These lakes offer the perfect opportunity for a rest break, allowing hikers to soak in the serenity of the untouched wilderness. The crown jewel of the Santa Cruz Trek is the ascent to the Punta Union Pass, standing at an impressive 15,580 feet, 4,750 meters above sea level. Reaching the pass is no small feat. It's a challenging climb that tests your stamina and determination. However, the reward is worth every step. Panoramic views of the towering Huascarán, the highest peak in Peru, along with other majestic peaks like Alpamayo, Artisanraju, and Talaraju. The sight of these snow-capped giants, framed by clear blue skies, is nothing short of awe-inspiring and offers a moment of pure connection with nature. The Santa Cruz Trek offers more than just stunning scenery. It's a journey that immerses you in the raw beauty of the Andes, tests your physical limits, and leaves you with memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're gazing at the reflection of towering peaks in a glacial lake, standing at the top of the Punta Union Pass, or simply soaking in the tranquility of the valleys, the Santa Cruz Trek is a high-altitude wonder that every adventurer should experience. Proper preparation can make or break your Peruvian hiking adventure. Always pack layers to accommodate the country's varying climates, from chilly mountain passes to humid valleys. Essentials include sturdy hiking boots, a rain jacket, sunscreen, and a good quality backpack. Don't forget altitude sickness remedies, especially for high-altitude treks like Ozangate and Santa Cruz. Hiring a guide or joining a group tour is also recommended, especially for remote or challenging trails.